Merry Christmas. Pardon me? Paul?
Yes. Is the song over?
But song's over. I just got out of it. I escaped.
You know, I'm only talking to the musicians out there.
You want me to leave?
But I gotta tell, no, you stay right here with your people. But I gotta tell you, when you only play a song once a year, it's different. Okay, so anyway, you know what I'm talking about. So this is kind of our Christmas show. It's just kind of a put together thing. What? I mean, well, he'll fix it. I'm getting a little feedback, so I figure out where we always have it, and then we'll deal with it. We tried turning up the PA just a little. It doesn't work around here so good.
Never a break.
So
that was mine.
we got. Was it yours?
Number 2.
You mean it wasn't my mic? Hey,
Check,
see,
check,
it wasn't my
check.
fault. It was his. So we got Buddy up here tonight. We got my brother Tony. My brother Phil and his lovely wife Virginia were going to come up, and believe it or not, he got sick last night. He
Last
said
night.
He felt awful.
101.
Yeah, that's
He
terrible.
feels better
And
today.
then Lewis
101.
was coming, my other brother Lewis, and he called me an hour before the show and said that his wife was sick. I didn't understand why he couldn't come, but anyway, he stayed home with her. But I got Susie here, and we got a new guest artist that we're gonna start, I think, put on the roster here and get her in the rotation. Lovely lady named Piper, and Leon. I said it right, I was gonna say Leon, it's Leon. Piper Leon. I was doing a party the other night with Al, with a bunch of the, hot players, and she was there. And she got up and sang, and I just fell in love with her. She's young and pretty.
pretty.
She
And
sings
she's
good.
pretty.
And you said
I
I
heard
said
her
that.
rehearsing. She's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful voice.
Had to get over here to Carmen's Country Corner to meet the band.
That's right, and these are the guys. They're all old enough to be your grandfather. But anyway, doesn't mean we don't love you. So, Tony, do one more. Whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be a Christmas song. We're going to kind of work the Christmas things in and out. Harmonica, okay, you got it.
Make it believe.
Love this song.
Tree. That's a name and Lou Harris, but it's all I got.
Good job, Tony. Now, I also have my brother Buddy here tonight. So, Buddy, get up and do one real quick. Borrow Tony's mic, and then we're going to toss it around a little bit. And we're going to have some fun tonight.
Little cell phone music to provide a little interlude there.
These things don't work good.
Yeah, they just loosen it, straighten it up.
Somebody bring Buddy's toolbox in, please.
Okay.
He figured it out. I knew we would. What do you got, Buddy?
Let's do Truck Driver Man, key of G.
GG, you got it. Give Dan where you want it.
Okay, I got it.
It's kind of like that, where you want it. Okay. Enter it, so we got one.
I've never driven that fast in my whole life.
Hey! That had some kick to it. You know, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. I don't know whether you can see his sign. Usually we have it on the drum, but tonight we got Tony up here. And we've been here about almost 2 years now, Paul.
And what a good thing it is.
It's been great. He got us out of the weather. He was nice enough to just give us the spot. So
Keep us out of the weather.
man. Well, we played in the weather at my culture. It's like 90 degrees out. We're out there sweating. You know. But we had a lot of fun. We've been doing this over 3.5 years. You realize that?
I love that.
Unbelievable.
Thanks, buddy.
And you know what? Let's bring the lady up.
Let's do that.
Come on up here, Piper Leon. Give her that mic there.
I think, Buddy, you never drove a truck, but you
You
did
want to
drive
hold it? You can hold it.
U-Haul
Hold still.
trailer.
You make yourself comfortable.
Would you rather hold it?
Stan's good. All right.
This is a little tall for this one.
Just do that. Let me straighten
Just so
out.
you can bring them straight. Yeah, man, just try it out. Try it out.
So, I think I might just hold it.
Yeah, it might be better. JC Penney's doing it.
Anyway, we're coming to you here from Bob Smith Toyota, like I just said. Half our crowd that was supposed to be here tonight, I guess they got sick or something. Your wife had a concert she was
She
going
had to go to a Christmas concert, not unlike ours, but with her girlfriends.
Well, you know what? She's having a good time, and we just love her, though. Whenever she comes, the whole thing gets better. We got Kathy here, Dr. Kathy, Dr. Teresa. And Teresa, if you come up with a song, I'll get you up in a little bit and we'll do a little something, have some fun. Okay, we're going. It's not the music, I gotta shut up. Sometimes when you hear somebody, like last Friday night, a week ago when I heard this young lady sing, and I went home thinking, was she as good as I thought she was? You know how you have that little thing like, look, the first time I ever heard her sing it, I was like, thinking, well, you know what? And she called me. I said, well, call me. And she called. I said, come on up. And you know what? You sang better than you did Friday night when I first heard you. You sing wonderful.
you.
honey.
And thank
Good
you
luck
for
to
having me. This is so
Oh.
much fun.
Well, you know what? We're gonna have you back in a little bit. We're gonna let the boys do some
Awesome.
stuff. So
Sounds
give him the
great.
mic and thank you. That was wonderful. So happy to have you with us. And Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy New Year. Somebody's standing back there with a hat on and a coat. And anybody we know?
That's Joe.
That's Joe right there?
Yeah.
See the bright lights. I thought you had a hat on. This guy's, see, I don't have any hair left. So when I see somebody with a full head of hair from a distance, it looks to me like they're wearing a hat. But it's a good looking hat, by the way, and it's a great head of hair. So good. Buddy did
Carmen,
one, Tony did one, Paul.
I remember when you had hair.
Yeah, I remember those good old days? Damn. But anyway, Paul.
All right, so one of the things we do around Christmas time is we go shopping. And sometimes we go window shopping, and that's what we're gonna do in the Kia C. You know what, I'm gonna stand up for this, because I think it's worth it.
Okay. You can stand, you can do whatever you want. We're having fun.
There we go. Just vamp and see. One, shuffle. One, two, one. Window shopping, just window shopping. You won't be again. My body, just
Kathy, come on up. Teresa, not Dr. Kathy, you don't sing.
Everybody come up.
Come on up, give it up, Mike.
Everybody come on up.
Yeah, just leave that open. Buddy, that's a good idea, just leave that one
Would you
open.
like to hold the mic?
Yeah, yeah.
That'd be better.
Go ahead. What are we gonna do with Keith?
Go ahead.
I love that song, what key?
E flat.
E flat. It's okay.
E flat is good.
We can play it in E flat. E flat? Alrighty, here we go, count it off.
Give me a chord, Tom. Give me the opening chord.
E flat. 1, 2,
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better watch out. I'm telling you why.
Doctor, thank you very much, Kathy. I mean, Teresa, I always get you two mixed up.
How could you?
Now, I love Dr. Kathy. She's as pretty as a bird.
Me too.
Oh, you're a doll. I fell in love with you at the Viva Cantina 25 years ago. Anyway.
Seems like only
Hey, you know
25
what?
years old.
I'm gonna do one quick one just so I can sneak one in, and then Tony will do one, and then we'll get the young lady back up, and then. Oh, Gary, have you sung one yet?
No,
Well, you're gonna
actually,
do
I
it now.
just showed up.
Yeah, I know.
I want you all to be quiet when I sing, okay? Shut the hell up, all of you.
Oh, we're having fun.
They're asking me for keys and stuff, they don't know.
Well, Carrie and Gary, what are you doing?
Z flat, I'm doing one by Frank Zappa.
You play any L flat.
By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground.
Tony, do another one.
It was
Read it,
funny.
yeah.
That was a good song, wasn't it?
I love that song.
What's that called? Dixie and
Christmas in Dixie.
the Disneyland? What was that?
Beautiful song.
I know what it's called, Christmas.
The fudge has marijuana in it, folks, I think.
No, we don't tell that kind of bull crap here.
Let's do Tulsa.
I just played it.
I know.
Let's do Tulsa.
Good.
Tulsa
What?
time and eight.
Yeah, don't find out.
I really don't like that. Go ahead, what? Listen, it's okay.
Yeah, Tulsa?
Yeah, Tulsa.
Jimmy, you got it.
Is it okay?
Yeah, no, I want to do that.
Yeah, eight. Mic test, 1, 2. Can you hear it?
A little. It's
Mic test.
We can't hear you.
Well, turn up, it's gonna feed back. It's not coming out of that speaker there?
Tony,
It's coming
That's the
out
main
here.
one,
I'm
that's-
sorry.
you're gonna have to be right up on that mic.
Yeah, you get right in.
I thought I sang the
Well, whatever, try to do it louder, that's all.
I'll try to sing a little louder. Thanks. Is that better? Can you hear me better now? I'm standing on left of that door.
That's it. That's all you
Okay,
gotta do.
I'll yell to it then. Thank you.
Carmine.
Do one and then we're gonna get, you know who,
Piper, Piper.
Piper.
Pretty Piper.
Leon.
Pretty Piper.
Leon?
Leon.
Leon, not Leon.
Piper
okay.
Leo.
You know, I knew a pool player named Leon once. He was a good player, and I keep thinking of him.
I was in
I'm just kidding you. Anyway. What? Can't hear you. Oh, well, the man that travels the world told me there's some town in France named Leon. Well, I've been all over America. Let me
Doctors,
tell you.
they've been there,
Wait,
bet you many
wait,
times. That's
I know. I don't care about that. I've been all over America. There's like 6 towns named Leon in this country. At least 6. So now what are you gonna tell me?
I got Topeka.
That's right.
Topeka, Kansas. That's it.
I'm kidding about that. I didn't know there was a. Is it near Paris? Or
They know.
what's it famous for? Anybody know?
Red tile roofs.
Chocolate.
Red tile roofs.
Yes, lot of red tile.
Chocolate?
A lot of red tile roofs.
The whole town's
I'm
red.
learning something tonight.
They know.
Who was singing one, Paul?
I'm gonna do one.
Okay.
We're gonna do this Roger Miller Christmas song
Great song.
called Old Toy Trains.
Kiki.
Be a dog, D.
And I'm gonna check my tune. I'll catch up. Go.
Old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from the sack, carried down land, dressed in red and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time to get red? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. Always calm as well. Soon you'll hear Chris screaming in the jingle bells. Bringing old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from the sack, carried by a man dressed in red and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time to get red? Old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from the sack, carried down land, dressed in red and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time to get red? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. Always calm as well. Soon you'll hear Chris screaming in the jingle bells. Bringing old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from the sack, carried down land, dressed in red and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time to get red? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. Always calm as well. Soon you'll hear Chris screaming in the jingle bells. Old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from the sack, carried down land, dressed in red and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time to get red? Carried by a man dressed in red and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time to get
Oh, wait a minute. Something's going on. What?
Tony, hi Grandpa, it's Cortland.
Oh, well, Cortland's calling from Texas.
Oh, hi,
Hello,
Cortland.
Texas. Let's all yell, hi, Cortland.
Hi Cortland.
Hi, Cortland.
And Michelle Hernandez.
Hi, Michelle.
Michelle
Hernandez. Merry
Hernandez.
Christmas to all you guys.
Our beautiful niece,
She
Michelle.
says I've got the coolest
She must be talking about Carmen.
Talking about me.
All right, give her the mic.
Named after my mother. Oh man, is it another
very special Merry Christmas to you and your family. I don't
Right
know them
back
yet,
at ya.
but we'll get to know them later.
Yes.
Okay, you're great. You come back anytime. Tony,
Thank
grab
you
that
so much
mic.
for having me.
Oh,
Yeah,
anytime.
such a blast.
We're gonna talk. I'm gonna give you like a whole hour. You'll get up and we're just gonna let
So
you
fun.
go. Okay, get ready.
So fun to play with all
You
you.
sound great. Sing wonderful. Wait, Susie's calling me again. What?
Very, very
George.
good.
Hey, folks, show's gonna be an hour and a half today. Well, we're doing an extra 30 minutes because I've got so many people. Go ahead, Jerry. Sue, what do you got?
Georgia Mahoney. Merry
Oh,
Christmas.
Georgia Mahoney.
Yeah.
This is a very close friend of ours, known her 45 years. Her husband and I were very close friends. Did a lot of. He owned a boat company in Newport Beach. They would do cruises and the little Duffy boats, you know, take you out to dinner. Really beautiful. And so I met Mahoney in 1974 with Greg Topper. And great entertainer, good singer, good player. And Georgia, we love you. Call us. We'll call you. We need you to come down and have dinner again. Okay, Mahoney, Jimmy, wherever you are, we love you.
Very nice.
Tony, do another
You
one.
want to do Don't Take It, She's All I Got?
Do it.
Yes, sir.
Why not? We'll do it in the key of G.
Kia G.
She's my yelling, I got the job.
Yeah, that's right.
Killing myself over here.
7:02, we got 28 minutes. Gary Swan, do us a song.
Everybody says turn up the
What do you got next? Hope you're enjoying the show, folks.
Oh, yeah.
I'm having a good time.
One more last chance.
See you, baby.
One, two, and.
Standing at the front door, I came home at night. Good looking left hand, old man in the eye. Baby, come on, last night. Stay on your breath, don't let me do my preaching.
I do them the way the singers do them when I can. Is my mic on? Maybe the PA is too loud. What do you think?
The volume's low,
How's
but
your
you're
vocal?
on.
That's fine.
This is fine, I'm sure this is fine.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. I think mine got lower. That's okay. It don't matter. What's up, Sue? You waving at me again?
No, I said Paul's perfect, you're low, and Tony's low, but
Well, you know what? You got what you got tonight, folks. We set this thing up and then we just let it fly.
yeah.
Buddy, do another one.
You got it.
We're having fun tonight, folks. No, no, no. Loosen this. Hey, just a second. Loosen it. Turn it up. There you go. That's not a problem. Loosen it. There you go. Now, loosen it plenty. Wasn't that? Loosen it. There you go. Now tighten it. There you go. It's equipment. That's what you gotta do every time. If you got somebody taller than you, well, you gotta do it. You know, I'm always raising my mic, lowering it.
I could have been a technician, there's no money in it.
What do you got, buddy?
Let's do cold, hot.
I thought you left, Piper. I'm feeling a little bad. You came back to hang out.
Of course.
Well, have a cupcake. At the end, we're all gonna get up and sing something. I want everybody that's here, I want on this side of the fence, and we'll do Jingle Bells. It's something we all know and have fun on. And we'll go out that way. Not happy birthday, buddy. No. Go ahead. What do you got?
Let's do cold, hot, the Kia G.
Kia G?
Yep.
G or D?
I mean D, excuse me. D as in dog.
Kia D.
Right about there, right?
Let Dan know where you want it. He's the timekeeper around here.
Today I passed you on the street, and my heart fell to my feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Somebody else walked by your side, and you look so satisfied. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you.
And that's my brother Buddy singing. I can't help it if I'm still over here.
That's what it was.
That's what it was. I had to think about it a minute because I forgot what key it
I
was
had to
in
think
again.
about it too.
Don't let that become a problem with me now. I play and I forget what key I'm in.
Well,
I'm thinking the light's too bright, is the mic too loud, and so.
Look at all the good years you have.
Yeah. I don't know how good they were, but I had a lot of years, I can tell you that much. Alright, who we got? We got Tony again? Yeah, we got about 20 minutes, so Tony, hit us.
I'll do a song.
Yeah, absolutely.
You realize how I threw you, I called off the run, so.
Yes.
I called off cold, hot.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, but hey, that's okay.
Sounded like
You're all so closely related, it doesn't matter.
We figured it out
We heard it as soon as you started singing. So folks, we're up here at Carmine's Country Corner. We debuted, I think that's the right word, a beautiful young lady tonight. And hope she comes back. And, she's a new member of Carmine's Country Corner. We're bringing in the new blood now. You know?
She's going to Kia B and we're gonna
Second to
do
You gotta get her the membership card.
Yeah.
There's not
I hope she's got $15, cause that's what they cost.
That's the A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-R-P.
Tony, what are we doing?
Do the midnight special.
Let's do it. What key?
E.
Huh?
E.
E.
Let me do it the way the professor did. E.
That's my IQ.
You can't say. When you wake up in the morning, hear the work bell ring. You know you're strolling through the table. You see the same old thing. Gary always great.
Play great.
Hey, you know what? You got another song in you, honey?
Sure.
Piper, come on up. that once in a while. On other people's songs, I just play something else. Anyway.
That's like what
That's what we do around here, Piper. You know, that's why that sign's right there.
Gotta
Says
keep it
Down Line's
interesting.
Corner, that's right.
It's your corner.
It
It's
sounds
your,
more like jazz.
your corner, your prerogative.
That's right, exactly. And we love having you up here. And
Well, thank you for having me. I've loved being here.
Well, come back. Would you? You'll come back soon, I hope.
I sure will.
I'll call you. Or you'll call me. Okay, John, we got about 21, we got 9 minutes. Hey, wait, what can we do for a closer? I mean, I want everybody, buddy, leave that open. Yeah, you can do another one. Sure, do it. Well, we're gonna do it at the end for everybody. Buddy, open the gate, leave it open.
Open the gate.
The flood's about to come in.
Release the hounds.
Okay, we're gonna do one song and then I want everybody here to get up, stand by the tree, anywhere on this side of the fence.
Everybody
You wanna
up
do
here.
Rudolph or something like that? Well, everybody, we can have fun and go out with kind of a fun thing.
Yeah, I
So
got
if
an
I don't
idea.
go too far, you're gonna sing one more time with a whole bunch of us singing with you.
No, let's
Okay,
have
in a minute.
everybody come up and we'll get off the
Everybody's
stage.
gonna get, yeah, we'll let you guys have it. Okay, Tony, what do you got? We're gonna do one more
I
song.
thought it would be nice if
We'll
I
do
did
one
a
more, then I'll
Christmas
get
song.
everybody
Maybe it came upon at midnight clear, do a little, you know. Well, I think it's nothing to it.
No.
I hear it, it's so.
Do it. What key were you in? D?
Gee.
What key?
This is the time of the year when we are taking donations of all late model vehicles. They must be running and they must not have any
Can't
body
be older than
damage.
2 years old.
Yeah. They're older than 2 years old, keep them, folks.
We don't want
We don't need your junk.
No dogs in the backseat.
Yeah. Put the dogs in the front seat if they're gonna give us the dog.
All right, Tony,